Welcome to Unlocking the Power of REITs, your comprehensive guide. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of real estate investment trusts, commonly known as REITs. So, what exactly are REITs? REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating properties. These properties can include residential buildings, shopping centers, office spaces, hospitals, and more. Investors can access real estate without direct property ownership. But how do REITs work, and how can you invest in them? REITs are publicly traded on stock exchanges, just like regular stocks. By purchasing REIT shares, you become a shareholder in a portfolio of real estate assets. Investing in REITs offers several advantages. Diversification: REITs allow you to diversify your investments across different property types. Regular income: they often provide steady dividends to investors. Professional management: you benefit from expert management teams. Of course, it's essential to be aware of potential risks. Interest rate sensitivity: REITs can be sensitive to interest rate changes. Economic downturns: real estate markets may face challenges during recessions. Management quality: management expertise is critical for a REIT's success. In conclusion, real estate investment trusts offer a unique avenue for investors to access the world of real estate without the hassle of property ownership. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, consider adding REITs to your investment strategy. Remember to do your research, assess risks, and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us today. For more financial insights and investment tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Visit our website. Thanks for watching.